Well, good evening. Normally this would be close to my morning, but it's 11:45 on 8/15/2024. So yeah, good morning. Hope everybody's doing good. Evening. Some of y'all are starting your weekend now. Hope it's a good one for you. Sorry. Just woke up. I didn't get enough sleep either, so it is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to try to get this put out real quick. It's going to be short, sweet, and then I'm going to go get some coffee because I ain't even had coffee yet. Today without coffee is, I need coffee. So, I hope everybody's doing good. I didn't get near as much done as I wanted to. So, I guess I won't be having a garage sale this weekend. Sorry. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, and I'm trying to get this one in here as a place marker. Trying to keep this three-ring circus going for, a daily vlog. So, not much in on this one. I'm going to be, after I get some coffee in me, I'm going to try to load up a few things that I know I want to try to carry with me and throw out some more stuff. So, and I'm going to try to pack some stuff over here up into a tote, and then some stuff over there into a tote. Trying to get things ready to go to the gun show for October, and sorry, I need that coffee. And then some stuff ready for the ham radio club the beginning of September. So and I got so many things that need to go to both of those places. So it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna call this. Sorry it's so short and sweet, but it is what it is. Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye-bye.